Hello everyone. So today I am here with a new project Superhero Hunter, which is made of pure JavaScript. And for this purpose, I have used Superhero API. So let's see how it works. Here is the input container. Let's say I want to search for Hulk. So as soon as I begin the entering Hulk, I can see a series of results. So when I click on the top result, it will lead me to a page describing the Hulk. So here is the image, and below it these are the power stats, and beside these are the specifications of Hulk, like full name, gender, height, place of birth, and at the last there is a add to favorite button. When I click on add to favorite button, Hulk is going to add to my favorite list. So let's click it. So this has been Hulk has been added to my favorite list. You can see here Hulk is added to my favorite list, and these three were already added to my favorite list. Now let's go to details of the Hulk. So here again it is going to lead me to the description page of Hulk. Let's go back to the favorite. So let's suppose I want to delete any superhero from my favorite list. Let's say I want to delete Vision, my favorite list. I will click on the remove button and Vision is going to disappear from my favorite list. There are only three superheroes left in my list. So this was the working of my project. Now let's come to the code section. So here is the HTML code for the home page, and here is the common CSS styling for all my pages, and here is the JavaScript of the home page of my superhero project. I have fetched search input in search list using DOM, and to the search input I have added an event listener key up, and on the key up event load superhero function is going to execute. Load superhero is an async function, and with with async and await I have fetched the URL with the key that has been added by the user. I have stored all the search results in an array and iterated over each of the array and added a button to it. So whenever the user clicks over the button, each of the button, any of the button, this find superhero function is going to load with that particular HID, and this is going to take my uh, take me to the herobio.html page with that HID using the window.location.href method. Now coming to the herobio.html page, whenever this page is loaded, whenever the body of this page is loaded, this onload of attribute is equal to page load. This function page load is going to execute by default. So here is the page load function. You can see over here. Here is the page load function. Whenever this function is executed, it will fire the fetch superhero and pass a parameter hero ID to it, and this is going to add it in the URL and fetch that superhero, and it will load all the description of that superhero. And at the end I have added a favorite button, and here's a favorite button, and I have add event listener to it, clicked event listener, so that whenever a user clicks on the favorite button, it will store that hero ID using in the local storage. I have used a persistent storage, local storage for that purpose. Using the get item and set item method of the local storage, I have stored the local storage. So here you can see when the superhero is already present in the local storage, this alert is going to happen. This alert says superhero is already added to your favorite list. Now let's come to the favorite page of my project. This is the JavaScript favorite page. What happens when I click on the favorite page is that it is going to read the local storage. If the local storage is not empty, you can see if local storage of length is not equal to 0, this is function is going to is going to fetch the hero one by one. So when it will fetch the hero, uh, it is going to reload the favorite page. Now this is the detail button event listener. When the detail button is pressed, this when this event happens, this is going to take us to the herobio.html page, which we have seen earlier. And when the remove button is pressed, this is going to remove that hero from using the HID using the HID, and this page is going to reload again, so that we can see that our hero has been removed from the super my favorite list. So this was a project. Hope you liked it. Thank you.